Hi everyone, welcome to 941 Tech, and I am really excited today because look what has arrived, my iPhone 15 Pro Max. I wasn't quite as quick getting my pre-order in this year as I usually am, so I ended up with a delivery date estimate of the 27th, so it's arrived today, which is 4 days early, so I am really pleased with that. So as you can see on the back of the box here, it is a 15 Pro Max. I opted for the natural titanium finish. I really like that look on the Apple Watch Ultra, so this is a nice match for that. So let's go ahead and tear off the pull tabs on the back of the box and let's take a look at the phone inside. And there it is. So that's the natural titanium finish. That looks pretty grey to me and I really like that. In the phone out of the box, the first thing you notice is how light it is. It's not as light as a feather, but it is around about the same weight in terms of how it feels as the iPhone 14 Pro. The finish is beautiful. It matches perfectly to the Apple Watch Ultra. Obviously we've got the USB-C there. So let's just go ahead and peel off the protective cover, and then you can see just how curved the screen goes into the frame. It's really nice. We knew about this from the rumours we saw, but it's really well finished, really well designed. Really pleased with this. Very pleased indeed, actually. Just taking a look now in the box, we've got a braided USB-C to USB-C cable this year, no more plastic cables. I'll be the first to admit Apple's cables aren't the best. Then in the paperwork, we've got a little SIM tool, still using those in the UK. We've got the Apple sticker and the usual paperwork. Nothing really exciting in there, so let's just put those back. So taking another look around the device, it really is well designed, so well built. It feels really smooth and light in the hands. Those curved edges, it's only a small design change, but it's made a significant difference to how the device feels to hold. The glass on the back still frosted as in previous years, but it's a really nice colour. Obviously we've got the action button this year. I'm going to configure that for the camera personally. I think that'll be a good use for me. I just can't speak highly enough for how well built and how nice it is to hold that this phone feels. It's really a premium device, and there's no question about that.